Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to the Frankies, and today we're going to share a tutorial on how you can remove photo bombers or any unwanted objects in your photos. So please stay tuned and watch the whole video for you to know more about that. Okay, so you see the picture ng mama ko with a lot of photo bombers. So I'm going to remove that to make sure that it looks pretty. So here, you just have to click yung tools dun sa baba and then zoom in to make sure that you get all of the sides na pwedeng i-remove, and then paulit-ulit nyo lang i-brush. So one of the things that I can give you as a tip is you can do it like yung tuldok instead of yung ginagawa ko na shade. Kasi pag tuldok, ang napansin ko is mas maganda yung outcome. So yon. So here, bale, ang ginagawa ko lang is parang shade lang siya and everything. And if you notice, yung size ng brush ko is very thin because pag malaki, hindi maganda yung outcome. So it's really best to use the thinnest size ng brush. And hindi ko alam kung bakit ko pinili itong picture na to. Medyo mahirap alisin si ate kasi nakadikit siya dun sa bato, diba? So yan, ito yung sinasabi kong tuldok. Yan. So it's just, easier. Pero syempre, pag natiyatamad-tamad ka na or nagmamadali, then just do the shading. Tapos, once you're ready to remove the but the object, you just have to click remove, yung nasa baba. Ayan, and then you will see the object removal. So, there. There you go. And one thing that I'd like to share about this app is it can be free. However, you can only do object removal once a day if it's going to be a free version. But of course, if you subscribe like monthly or weekly, I think they have yearly then it's an unlimited object removal. So ako, I just paid for 100 pesos a month to do the object removal kasi ang dami kong pictures na I want to edit. So, sulit naman siya. So, there. Yan. Ulit-ulit lang to make sure that it's flawless. And then the app will just do the filling. So, ang ganda. Just wait for the ingay ni Frank. Okay, so yan, diba? In a way, nawala na rin si ate. And if you're going to zoom it out, hindi na siya halata. Pero since medyo madikit siya sa bato, I just need to soften most of the sides. So, inuulit-ulit ko lang. And that's the trick. You just have to repeat it hanggang makuha mo yung desired edit mo. So, there. One of the things that I observe is ang hirap niyang gawin sa phone. So, if you have an iPad and you have the stylus, then, or the iPencil, then it's easier. Kasi, syempre, nakokontrol mo talaga yung stroke ng brush. Ito kasi, grabe, ang liit lang ng phone ko. Pero anyway, you can definitely see an optimal change after all of the objects has been removed. Nakita nyo naman yung before and after, diba? So, ayan. So, medyo matagal pa ata to. Paulit-ulit ko lang siyang ini-slide, never remove, and everything. Ayan. Object removal. Now, I'm going to move naman kay dito kay kuya na nakausli ang puwet. So, it's easier than kay ate. Kasi nasa gilid lang si kuya. Medyo maingay po si Franco tang aso. Anyway, so ayan. Nag-shade na ako. It's the same process. Zoom in. Don't forget to zoom in kasi ang pangit niya pag zoom out. O, diba? Very different. So, yan. Pindot-pindot lang to really remove the object, and then automatic na magfe-fill ang photos. So, there. You can also do undo, Meron dyan tool yung nasa arrow, nasa baba. And then that's it. You can see the difference, diba? From a lot of photobombers sa gilid. Here's my mom with the picture na walang photobomber. Oh, very nice. So this is the app that I'm referring to in the photo editing. So Photo Director. You can go and download it in your App Store or in Google Play Store. It's free in the sense that you can remove an object or photobomber once every day, pero if you subscribe for like 100 plus for a month, then it's unlimited. You can also extract some of the actually all of the photos um, from that application to any of your preferred social media platform. So there. So that's the end of our video. Hope you liked and enjoyed it. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you again soon.